How to stop the incoming calls without the flight or airplane mode. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you can simply open the airplane mode if you want to stop your calls. But when you open the airplane mode, the data will be turned off. So the airplane mode might not always be the best option for you. So what you can simply do is go to the phone icon, tap on the very top three vertical lines, dots right here, go to the setting option. Now go to the forward your call setting option. When you forward your call, just tap any extra number. Whenever someone calls you, the call will be simply forwarded to the other number, and then you can simply make the fake number as well that does not exist at all, and when the call is forwarded they won't be answered it won't be answered at all. So that's how you can ignore a phone call. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit a thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.